see what it looks like. Oh. I wish these had the point on them. There it is. Because actually I need these just supposed to go all the way through and you put the nut on the back of it. But I think I like them with this. I'll turn around and let you look at it. Cute. Just a piece of cute. See, I kind of like this. Where is it? This one. So that's probably what I'm going to end up doing. Let me turn it where you can't see it like that. There we go. I'm thinking I'll take them off. I'll put those on. And then I'll run some Waverly wax. I could probably go ahead and put the middle one on. Does it turn? First I thought maybe the screw wasn't turning, just the... I can't tell if the screw's turning. No, there it goes. I don't think that clay stuff held as good. Alright, so this one, oh, this one's got 3 in it, so that'll be 2. This will have 3 screws, so I'll have to get 3. I want the 2 like that, or like that. Probably like that. So then I'll put that back in. And I'm going to have to paint the other one for that one. And put the screws in. I'll just give y'all an idea. This Waverly wax. I think I'm going to do it with a brush. Let me get a sponge, because I only want to do the edges. Let me get a little sponge. Let me get a little bitty one. I don't want it all over it. I like that. Yeah, I like it nice and crisp and white with that on the edge. And I like it a little bit extra in certain places. A little bit heavier in some. Okay. Let me bring you out closer. Okay. I'm not even blotting it. I'm just putting it on straight from the lid so that it will be a little bit dark. I mean, I could have probably used black, but I think that this one will make it a little softer. Okay, that edge, got that edge. It's going to be a little bit hard to do this one because it's not a sharp edge. It's like rounded. Do the corners a little bit like that. Yeah, I do like it with I like it nice and white with this little bit on it. Just on the edge only. I think it kind of, whoops, I have to fix that. So, I can get back and get it on here. Carefully. Cute. Okay. Well, I just have to make that plate and then take a picture of it and come out a little bit. What do you think? I like it. There we go. Let's see what it looks like. I think it turned out really cute. Alrighty. Well, thanks for hanging out and watching. I'm going to paint this plate here. I'm going to do this plate for this one. I'm going to have to kind of make it look like the metal first and then put some layers of paint on it. And then, of course, these here. Oh, here was what I was going to show you, my idea for hanging this on the wall. Okay, look, what do you think? Okay, let me turn it back around this way. Okay. Instead of put regular hangers back here, I can paint these, finish painting this. And wouldn't this be cute if you connected this to the stud? Not, because I don't know how far their studs are apart. But I thought that would be cool, hanging on the wall with this attached to the wall. I think that would be really cool. But I didn't want to put no holes in it yet, until I knew. But I like this. This turned out cute. I just got to finish up that little plate. And once I do that, I will put some... I probably need to take these off and seal it. And then put these back on. And then it will be done. Well, thank you for hanging out. And checking out all my goodies. And watching me make this. And I hope y'all have a good rest of your weekend. Have a good Sunday tomorrow and nice and relaxing. Doing something fun. Alright, well, till next time. See ya.